Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a review on a Revlon product, and I will be reviewing from Revlon. This is the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil Strengthening Curling Custard, and I do have a review on, I think it's the leave-in conditioner, and I also have a wash day routine using this product. So if you want to see me use this product and you want to see the results, check that video out as well. But today I will be reviewing this curling custard, and I'll review it in the categories I review all products in, starting with the packaging, then the price, moving on to the application, then the quality and size, and lastly the results. But before we get into this very interesting review, please join the Curl Factory family and follow me on social media. The first category is the packaging, and as I said, I did review the leave-in cream. So black, gold, red, I really like it. At the back of the product it tells us no mineral oil, no petroleum, no phtalates, no parabens, and no colorants. And this one says it makes hair up to 87% stronger. The leave-in cream, the percentage is a little bit lower, so I really like that. I like this packaging. I'm not really going to get too much into it because I am going to give this 4 out of 5. So I am going to give this 4 curls for packaging. I do like this packaging a lot. Now we're going to talk about the cost of this product. I bought it at Clicks in South Africa and I paid 119 Rand and 14 cents. Just under 120 Rand. I thought it's a really good price point for the amount of product in here. Kind of happy with the price, so I'm going to give it 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Now let's talk about the application. And when you open this up, it smells really nice. It smells like the leave-in cream. This line really does smell nice. This one has a much stronger citrusy smell. But it's a cream product, and for me this isn't a curling custard. This is more like a cream. When you take it out, it feels just like a cream to me personally. I put it on the palm of my hand. It's like a thick cream. It's not very sticky, but it's just a thick cream. Application was easy. I could apply it in very large sections. I divided my hair into 4 sections. Could apply it very easily, very nicely. It smells nice, easy application, but again, it doesn't have the consistency of a custard for me. It has more of a consistency of a cream. So for application, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Now we're going to move on to the quality and size. This is 300 milliliters or 10.1 fluid ounces. It's a really nice size. As I said earlier, at the back it tells us no mineral oil, no sulfates, no parabens, no petrolatum. It also contains black seed oil. It promises strengthening, good size, good quality. The rating I'm going to give it is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Finally, it's all about the results, and I was happy with the results. I was really happy with the results. It surprised me. My hair was extremely soft. I really liked how soft my hair was. So if you're looking for soft curls, this product here, this curling custard, will deliver when it comes to like really soft curls. It only gave me day 2 hair. It didn't give me day 3 hair, just day 2 hair. On day 3 I had to redo an entire application of it. So again, it functioned like a cream for me, gave me the longevity of a cream on my hair. The results day 1 and day 2 were really nice. I was very impressed, as I said. So the rating I'm going to give it for results is 3.5 out of 5, which is 3 curls. That's it guys, that's my review of the Revlon Realistic Curling Custard. Many of you have requested for me to talk about this brand, and I have. As I said, I do have a wash day routine using this, and I also have a review on the leave-in cream or conditioner, so check that out as well. Hope you enjoyed this video, hope it was helpful as well. Thank you once again, and I'll see you soon in another video. Take care.